In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear translation history in DeepL. If you use DeepL on your desktop, whether you're on Windows or Mac, your recent translations are saved in a history panel, which is handy for quick reference but can get cluttered or feel a bit too revealing if you share your screen. I'll show you how to remove a single entry you no longer need, and how to clear your entire history when you want a fresh start. First, let's remove individual entries. Open the DeepL desktop app and look at the source text field, the box where you type the text you want to translate. Inside that field, you'll see a small clock symbol. This is the history icon. Click it to open a small menu, then select History to bring up your list of past translations. Scroll through the list to find the item you want to delete. Each entry has a small trash can icon beside it. Click that trash icon and the selected translation will be removed from the list. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This is a quick way to tidy up without losing everything you've translated before. Now, if you want to clear the entire history in one go, the process starts in the same place. Click the clock icon in the source text field, choose History to open the full list, and look for the Clear History option. Depending on your window size and layout, you may see Clear History at the very top or at the bottom of the list. Click it and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Confirm the deletion to remove all saved entries from your history. Keep in mind that clearing your history is intentional and immediate once you confirm, so make sure there's nothing you still need before you proceed. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the clock icon, click into the source text field so the toolbar is active, or expand the app window in case the controls are hidden by a narrow layout. Also remember that this affects the history inside the desktop app. It doesn't delete any separate files or documents you've saved elsewhere. That's all it takes to keep your DeepL history clean and under control, whether you're deleting just one entry or wiping the whole list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your workflow.